Folks, hey, this is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin. This video is titled, How to Make Money Watching Videos, basically, okay? Let me make a disclaimer here. This is not going to make you rich. You're not going to be a multi-millionaire, okay, by doing this. But it is some side cash. This is good for teenagers. This is good for like single moms or house moms or even house dads, whatever you want to call it. It's just some extra cash. First site is earnably.com. Now listen, a lot of you watch TV, you watch Netflix, you watch movies, but why not get paid for it, okay? Why not get paid? Like, I'm gonna give you three, then the third one is just the best, but I'm gonna lead up to it right here. Earnably, this is what happens. Basically, when you sign up, and it's easy to sign up, you just hit the sign up button, put your email address, username, password, free, put your number in there, and bam, you have an account, okay? And basically how it works is you get paid points as you watch videos online. Does that make sense? Is everybody paying attention? You just make money. Guys, if you can hear me, I want you to comment the word "let's go" if you don't mind. Sometimes I'm on the 46th floor here. Sometimes the signal sucks. So let me know below if you can hear me clearly, okay? Now listen, it's very easy to do. You know, have you noticed that I give gift cards away a lot on my Instagram? Well, I get them from sites like this. It's free, okay? To be honest with you, it's just free gift cards just by watching videos here. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you something cool, how you can get other people to do it for you, right? So you can just lay in your bed and do whatever you do your do while you make money online, okay? So a lot of the gift cards that I give to you guys come from sites like Earnably. So basically you sign up, you start watching videos, you get points, and you can turn those points into gift cards or to cash. It's really that simple. Does that make sense? It's really that simple, to be honest with you. That's it. That's just how it works. And I have verified years ago that it does work absolutely. I'm gonna be honest, currently I don't do it now. I'm doing other things now. But I do give this to my children. I give this to teenagers that are young people. I have a lot of people that follow me on Instagram. So I just give them other ways just to make money because I know everybody doesn't have the skill yet to be a great expert internet marketer. But this is just some cash, a couple of dollars a day. Hey, it's something. Does that make sense? Next site is superpayme.com. It's called superpay.me. Now listen, write this stuff down, please, because I'm not going to leave anything in the description as relates to these sites here. Just try them out. You know, I've tried, I've verified, I've got paid. I didn't get paid like $1,000. I got like $100, but it's just free money. Like if you're bored doing nothing with your life anyway, which a lot of you, you know, you're just doing nothing. A lot of you are, not all of you, but why not make some cash? You can do this in your bedroom. You can do it on the toilet. You can do it in your jacuzzi on your balcony. My jacuzzi's over there, right? It doesn't matter. Just get some points, get some free cash. Great thing about this site, like I'm logged in right now. Now look at this. This is how it works. So say if I want to make some money today. I want to make 66 cents, you know? I know that's not a lot of money, but hey, you click on it, right? Here, you click on it again, and you go to the site called hideout.co. Now listen, you gotta make sure that you have a Hideout TV account as well to be able to watch the video, okay? Then you move those points to the Super Pay and you get paid out. And listen, I know this is not $1 million, but it's something. Does that make sense? And it really works. Now I know some of you are asking me, does this work in Germany? Does it work in India? I don't know. You have to check. I know it works in the United States of America. I think it works. If you have a PayPal, I'm pretty sure it does work, as long as you can have a PayPal account, because that's how they they pay out. So you just have to go check it for yourself. But I know United States, I believe Canada, and parts in Europe, they do. But you have to go check it. You know what? Let me check it for you. Look, let me log out. I think it gives you the opportunity. So say if I want to join for free, okay? Let me take you on the journey here. All right, look. Okay, well. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. It's only, with this site here, it's only Oh no, it's in Alaska, Alberta, Canada, okay, United States of America, and I think that's about it. You just gotta search here and search. I think it's only for this site here. Earnably may have more countries you can use this, I'm not sure. But this site here, only Canada and United States of America. I just want to be transparent. I want to be real with you. Okay, but they do pay out. And this is how it works here. Basically, you can do a couple of things. Now, if you want to watch videos, you can click on watch video. Let me log into my account. Hold on. Let me log into my account here. I hate captchas. Hold on. Right. So you see, I haven't did anything with this account. Well, I mean, I've evolved now, you know, but I might pay somebody else to do this. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you who you can pay very cheap to do it for you. You know, just, it's like a side hustle, to be honest with you. So what you do is you can do paid surveys, right? It's all like one-stop shop here, or for walls here. And you can scroll down to where it says engagement video here. See that? I used to do this, I did this long time ago. Like, you know, a lot of you guys are trying to make money and you say you want it bad, but man, let me tell you something. I wanted it better than breathing, better than life. And this is how I discovered all this. Actually, I used to use this site to put gas in my car. I'm embarrassed to say that, but I used to use sites like this. This is my top 3 here to put gas in the car. You know, I watched a couple of videos because I couldn't afford gas. I couldn't afford food. Because all my money was gone. It's just the truth. So yeah, and that's how you do. So make sure here, you gotta have a hot ad account. If you're gonna view the video, you gotta have a super pay account to use this website, okay? You got it? And here's the last one. And this is for the like and for the sub that I know that you're gonna give me, right? Here we go. It is inboxdollars.com. Are you guys writing down these websites? Hello? Are you guys writing this down? Like, you ask me, you know, people on the internet ask me every day. You say, Wesley, is there other ways to make money other than just promoting your product or basically getting your mentorship? Yeah. Like, listen, you don't need me. You can start here, make you a couple of dollars until you get it, understand, and then you can link up with me and I can show you how to make some serious money. But this is the start. This is how I started. Inboxdollars.com. Okay, and basically I signed up this morning just for you, and just by filling out the survey, they give me 50 cents. So listen, let's go back here. All right, so that's how it looks. So I've already earned $5. Isn't that cool? And listen, let me be honest with you. You can't get the $5 today. You got to be at least $10 to withdraw that money. Make sense? But this can stack up, and I'm gonna show you in like 2 minutes how you can get other people to do it for you, if that's cool. Look, earn $5, which is a better soda. Gamefly. I mean, it's just cool. It's so much. You can just spend hours on this website, and you know what I would do? I would spend hours until I had $100. Fiverr.com. That's it. Fiverr.com. You know what you can do? See, the thing is, you got to be very creative when you do this. You got to be very creative. Go to Fiverr.com. Find you somebody that's super cheap for $5. And say, hey man, this is all I want you to do. And I'm gonna pay you $5 a day, okay? As a matter of fact, I'll give you 10% of the profit. Now understand, these people on Fiverr.com, I swear to God, Fiverr made me rich. It really did. It made me wealthy because I thought you had to pay thousands of dollars to get a website created and, you know, do all this craziness, but Fiverr saved the day. It really did. Now, you do need to understand how to be an internet marketer before you start using Fiverr, depending on what you want to do. But to do this, you just find somebody super cheap and say, hey, this is what I would do. Once that account hit $100, I give you $5, okay? So I give you 10%, 5%, depending on how much money you make here, because usually these people on Fiverr, they're in different countries, so they can't use websites like this under their account. So if you work out a deal with them, listen, this is called a virtual assistant. I used to have 10 virtual assistants working for me doing all kinds of stuff like this because I needed money. it wasn't, I used to make like $1,000 to $2,000 a month just by employing people like from Fiverr.com and giving them a percentage and making them do all the work, right? Well, I learned how to write copy to create my offer that made me $1 million in 1 month. But listen, pay attention here. I'm going to deserve your like and your share. And you might say, Wesley, I love you because you give so much massive value. This is for all my lazy but smart people. Because I believe lazy people are not necessary people that are not rich, okay? Like, I'm lazy. See, look. I'm like, here, look at this. Only lazy people do that. Look. Go to Fiverr.com, okay? Find you a cheap person. Cheap. Just type in virtual assistant like this. Virtual assistant. Help you guys out here. All right? And find somebody super cheap. Look at this girl. Isn't she beautiful? She's probably from India. I love India. I've been there a couple of times here. You can hire her and say, hey, I don't want you to do this. This is what I want you to do, Miss Virtual Assistant. Right? You can pay her a commission. Just say, hey, all I want you to do is go here to this site, MX Dollars. Give her the login, right? And just make her watch the videos. Make her go, whatever she got to do to get this account to $100 to $200 a day. Does that make sense? Hey, much love. This is Wesley. $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Leg out. Later.